So in the modern world, stress is inevitable. It's not normal, but it's inevitable because in the cities, we have to get to job, we have to do our work, and most of all, we have to make money, pay the bills, the taxes. So to keep that going and keep our lifestyle going, it does create stress. So to keep away the stress, one is to become aware that we drink a lot of water. We have good food. The easiest one to find is the junk food, but then it doesn't do good to the digestive system because what you will put inside is what it will create as the digestive nourishing juice inside the body, and it is not going to work. So it is good to eat some good vegetables and good rice or good natural pastas or some millets. So these kind of food are good food that you, when you have that, you will have more energy to deal with things that are coming your way. Then for your own self is to exercise. Definitely do some kind of exercise. Not too much, not pushing. Not like going running for 2 hours, but rather doing some exercise for half an hour, which will bring you to yourself, like yoga, like Surya Namaskar, or the pranayama in the morning, and meditating in the night also before going to sleep, relaxing, sitting with yourself for some time. So these are the little things that give you more energy to deal with the day and also with the night, because in the night we are not just sleeping, but we are digesting the day, not digesting our food, but also digesting the day that has been gone through this body and mind. So when we slowly work with these things, we are able to deal with stress better. When stress gets stuck in the body, you will start feeling pain. Maybe the joint starts paining. Maybe the eyes feel burning sensation, or the shoulders become tight. So one that one can do is to go for massage, or receive a massage from someone. Or you can do a self massage by yourself, mostly feeling and noticing and releasing what is tightening up the body. So it is easier said than done to do it, but if we become aware of what is happening in our body and guiding our own selves, that brings us to self-talk, because our self-talk is mostly scolding ourselves, fighting with ourselves, and saying things that are not nice to us. But instead, when we become aware, that we start talking good things to ourselves, we smile at ourselves and say that we were good enough to do this, or whatever we did was good. You will feel that the stress starts to go down, and life becomes more lighter and joyful, because you're not attached or clinging to the stress or the emotion that is passing through your body and mind at that moment.